Hi everyone, welcome back to my page. We're continuing the indices we started, and lest I forget, I didn't mention in the previous video that a must not be equal to 0, so your basis must not be equal to 0. So come along with me. So here I'm having 10 raised to the power of 5 times 10 raised to the power of 2. And remember, in indices, your basis must be the same for you to actually solve it. Your base must be the same. I didn't mention that in the previous video. So 10 raised to the power of 5 times 10 raised to the power of 2. Remember, in indices, multiplication turns to addition. So as long as our bases are the same, so this will be 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 2. And this is 10 raised to the power of what? 5 plus 2 is 7. So 10 raised to the power of 7. So the next question is 5 raised to the power of 9 times 125. So for our base to be the same, 125, what is 125? So 125 is 5 in 3 places. That means 5 times 5 times 5 will give us 125. So this is the same thing as saying 5 raised to the power of 9 times 5 raised to the power of 3. So this is the same as saying what? 5 raised to the power of 9 plus 3, which is what? 5 raised to the power of 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. So this times this is simply 5 raised to the power of 12. So here, this is kind of tricky because we have some minus signs in our exponentials. So we have, this is 10, you bring your base, you have minus 7. Remember, multiplication is plus, so we have plus here. Then you bring your minus 8. So this is the same thing as saying 10 raised to the power of minus 7. When you multiply, positive and negative will still give you a negative sign. So this is the same thing as saying 10 raised to the power of minus 7 minus 8. So this is the same thing as 10 raised to the power of, you bring out the minus sign. So this will be 7 plus 8. So this is the same thing as saying 10 raised to the power of minus 7 plus 8 is what? 15. I hope this is not confusing. If it is, you can pause and go back to check how I got this. Thank you for watching. Stay connected while we share more insights on indices. Thank you. Bye.